Welcome. Today in this video I will show you how to design a YouTube channel banner easily. So let's begin. First you open Chrome and type Canva and search. Then go to the Canva website. And search YouTube banner. You can see there is a lot of templates. You can choose any of these and edit it.
Oh my God! Wow!
I will choose this.
Yeah, boy.
And see how I edit this template. You can easily learn in Canva because it is very simple editor. I will speed up this process. You can upload your own photos and edit it. And I finished my edit.
Nice.
To download this banner, click on Share, and click Download. Then you go to youtube.com. Then you click on Gmail profile icon. Then click on YouTube Studio. And scroll down. Then click Customization. And click on Brandings. Then click on Upload. And select the YouTube banner. And click Open. Then click Done. Finally click Publish. You can see how it is appear. I hope that you understand the video. Thanks for watching.